Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. As you can see, we are in Family Dollar. And let me tell you, I almost didn't make it here today because I took a peek at the digital coupons that we had available and I was like, womp, womp, womp. But I want to thank y'all for actually reaching out to me and saying, Star, we have a 5 off of 25 today. Go and see what you can do. So I said, I'm going to go see what we can do. I saw a post on Instagram where somebody said there was a lot of laundry products marked down on clearance. And that is what actually gave me the boost to get up and get out because I wanted to see if my store had some laundry products on clearance, and they actually do. So we might be able to put something together. This Tide is $4.21, and we got some Tide Pods over here for $3.79. So that gives us a little bit of savings there, and those should also count towards our 5 off of 25, and we should be able to use our digital coupons. So let's see what we can do. So looking at this clearance kind of in depth and seeing the prices, they are priced as marked. I was able to check them. So this is really $3.83. That is really $5. This is really $3.79. And this is $6.12 for this big bottle. This is $5. Those Suavitel dryer sheets are only $1.34. But when we were matching up the digitals that we have available, the Tide Liquid, this Sport Odor Defense, is the best deal. We're going to grab one of these and use our $2 off digital coupon. And then, of course, we're going to grab one of the Tide Pods and use our $2 off coupon. Now I'm going to grab 2 of these Scott 12-pack tissue papers. They are actually on sale 2 for $9 this week, so they're only $4.50 each. And then we are going to use our $2 off 2 digital coupon. Okay, so now I'm going to add something in a little bit different. This is not going to be an all-digital deal. I'm going to grab one of these Finish Quantum at $3.50, and then I'm going to use this $2 off coupon, and I forgot which insert we got it in. I will put it up on the screen, but that makes this only $1.50. And then we also have a Family Dollar store coupon that is on the app, which should take an additional $1 off, making this only 50 cents. Okay, so the next item I am going to grab is 2 of these big boxes of Kleenex. They are 195 count, and let me show you the actual UPC on this to make sure that you get the right one. So this is the UPC, these blue boxes. So they are $2 each, and then we are going to use the $2 off 2 digital coupon. You can also get these $150 off slim packs if you want to work that into your transaction. I'm not going to work that in today because clearly my store is out. And I need to get my total up high enough so these $2 boxes actually work better for me. So I'm going to grab 2 of these and use the $2 off 2 digital next. All right, you guys, so the last item in my deal today, I am going to grab one of these Chexits. They are on sale for $2 this week. And then we have a $2.25 off 1 digital coupon when you buy a Coca-Cola product. And I think the Coca-Cola products, the 20 ounces, are $1.95. So we're going to buy both of those and then use that $2.25 off 1 digital coupon. All right, you guys, so let's do a quick review of everything that I have picked up today. So I am going to get 2 of the Scott Big Rolls. These are $9 for 2 of them. They're $4.50 each. I have one of the Tide Pods on clearance. Oh, and on the Scott, I'm going to use that $2 off 2 digital coupon. I have one of the Tide Pods on clearance for $3.79. Going to use that $2 off digital coupon. I have one of the Tide Liquid on clearance for $4.21. Going to use that $2 off 1 digital coupon. I have one of the Finish Quantum. They are $3.50. I am going to use this $2 off 1 paper coupon plus the $1 off 1 store digital coupon. And then I have the Chexits and the Coke here. The Chexits are $2, and the Coke is $1.95. We're going to use the $2.25 off 1 digital coupon. And then I have the 2 Kleenex here that are $4 for 2 or $2 each. We are going to use that $2 off 2 digital coupon. So my total before any coupons comes off should be $28.45. Because I am using a paper coupon and a store coupon on the Finish, I'm taking into account that $3 of my total will not count towards the $25 purchase because paper coupons and store coupons don't count towards that $25 threshold. So that's why my total is $28.45. So after all of my digitals come off, let's see what my total is using my 5 5 off of 25 coupon. Let's go check out. All right, you guys, so that worked out perfectly. So this is everything that we got. So let me show you my receipt. So that finished quantum is a really good deal. So y'all see how that worked out. So they're $3.50. We used our $2 off paper coupon plus the $1 digital. They are only 50 cents, you guys, 50 cents. So even if you don't want to do a whole 5 off of 25 deal and you just want to grab yourself some 50-cent finish, that's a great deal. And then there are our Tide, our Chexits, our Scott tissue paper, the Tide Pods, the Coca-Cola, and our Kleenex. Subtotal came out to $10.20, you guys, $10.20. And we had a total savings on those 9 items of $16.25. So not bad trying to put something together with some really not good digital coupons. So I know this is not a deal that everyone will feel comfortable doing because I threw in some clearance and a paper coupon, but I still just wanted to give you guys an idea of what you can put together this week using this 5 off of 25 because I hate to see a 5 off of 25 go to waste. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button if it was. And as always, I will talk to you soon. Bye.